Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are proud to present this Suzuki GSXS125, registered the 4th of February 2023 on a 72 plate with 2,080 miles, presented in Titan Black, benefiting from full service history. The GSXS125 is well known for being the lightweight king of the streets, and it's clear to see why. With the best power-to-weight ratio and acceleration in the 125cc street class, this is the weapon of choice. A dependable, comfortable, nimble motorcycle that also delivers genuine Suzuki high performance. With its easy-to-read LCD display, LED headlight, single-cylinder 15 brake horsepower engine, 11-litre fuel tank and lightweight chassis, it's easy to see why these are a popular choice for new riders and commuters. This exceptional example comes serviced, where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection and benefits from the remainder of the manufacturer's 3-year warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.